It is our first market vlog of the year. Yippee! Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel and welcome back to Boomsy Sports. If you just see my face for the first time, I am Boomsy and do well to subscribe to my channel. You guys, I was just feeling myself with this my cap today because one of my staff got me this cap during our Christmas exchange gift, and I did not even know the usefulness of this cap until I wore it to the market today. But yeah, we're just getting into the market and I'm heading to UBA car park.
Jima weku pam pam male. What? My friend, how you doing?
Oh, na money you wan collect for your hand.
Thank you, my love.
Boma sef sabi the politics.
So melita clove, sekire pan. Pute mama pute. Pute mama pute.
They no say mama put.
I go learn that
Pute,
song.
mama
I must
pute.
learn them. I love it. Now French song. Please, if
He's
you are
talking
French.
about his father. Like, I don't know.
My love, I love your wig.
Lie. Just the cover up me, no dash up money. Bad person.
January hits you so fast. It hits you and it's hitting Cha.
Like a trailer.
January hits you so fast. We are here to stock up. You guys, I don't come to this market in January. Now, if you see my list, it's like 3 pages. Cha was saying that she's never seen my store as empty as it was or as it is. My list is here. Not even a day inside this list where I go buy toothpaste, yo. Soap, Maggi, Brogbo, Begbe, yogurt. Kama has not even carried yogurt to school for like the past 2 weeks. We've just been augmenting with what they call it, with milk. And she still takes milk here. Milk is actually very good. A lot of people I say Kama still takes milk at 3, they're like, yeah, she still sucks her milk inside her bottle. And if she does not see that milk, you're in problem. But anyways, guys, you guys, welcome to yet another market vlog. I hope you guys will enjoy watching. Cha is messaging all her customers at this point. Come and revamp hair. Come and do your hair. In fact, the money you are owing me is month end now. Those of you that say you are 9 to 5 as they pay you by month end, come and pay me. I say, wow, January has come with a bang. January has come with his blow. In December now, you go to find Cha. Come and fix me frontal now. Come and do this one now.
Booked and busy. I was booked and busy.
Now we dey find customers, so even me self, like, you know, easy. But anyways, I've called my love. It's even career day in my kids' school next week Friday, so she even went to buy some of their career outfits for me. She knows I'm coming to the market already, so I will head into the market now and go and meet her. But of course, you guys know I'm here with my chichi baby. Chichi baby, say hello, girl. But anyways, let's just be going. I'll see you guys inside the market. The market is full today, as you can see, but let me come down so I'll show you guys how full it is. The car park is quite full. We're lucky enough to even just find this space, but let's head into the market. Welcome to the first Idumota Market vlog of the year, and we're going grocery shopping. Welcome. I choose to stay in a happy mood, you guys. Today, I was just telling my husband that I said, now wow, all we have to buy is a lot too. All we have to buy is a lot too. I'll just come there and say, now wow, I don't know if everything we're going to buy is going to contain inside the car. No. He said that you have to see the blessing in what you are saying. He just cut me short. I was like, you have to see the blessing in what you are saying. You are not complaining that you don't have the money to buy these things. What you are complaining now is that, oh, you are trying to indirectly say you need a bigger car, and that things cannot fit, the provisions you want to buy cannot fit into your car. because you and Cha are going to buy things and it's like restocking. We've not restocked in such a long time. And it just really hits me, to be very honest with you. Yeah, I feel like when God does something for us, that you are believing God. If you look at your life, like let's say like 5 years back or like 4 years back, where you are right now is somewhat in your answered prayers and all. But because the quest of more will always be blinding your eyes, you will not see that God has blessed you. But yeah, anyways, that enough of my pep talk. Let's enter into the market.
You know me, anytime I find an avenue to give a pep talk, I will. But this is us just heading into the market, and this guy that sells vegetable by the side, like the entrance at the car park, his okra was looking so sumptuous, and myself and Cha, we had to stop to negotiate and buy. I was saying maybe I will go to under bridge and go and buy, but I was like, I don't want to waste so much time. I already know that I'm going to waste time in the market today. But this is me just negotiating the okra for him to put it, and I bought 2 bowls of this okra, I think for 1.5. I bought like 3k worth of this okra, but you guys know how we do it now. You would definitely see it. And I went to price yam.
Not really. Maybe not too small. No, give me fine one for up now. See this one's where they see.
Of course, you guys are going to see the yam at the end of the video, but yeah, we were just entering into the market because I was heading to meet my Labrador woman. My lady that sells plantain didn't have plantain today. But you guys, me and my Labrador woman, I think this is about 4 years going.
This your cap. I go come out for your head.
My love is just my love. She know they carry me joke. I know they carry her joke at all. And for you guys, I always leave her number on my screen for you guys to patronize her. Please no carry her joke at all. But yeah, I came to buy cinnamon from my Zobo guy. And look at this cinnamon he was showing me. He was saying this cinnamon is the original one. And one stick was about 1,000 naira. Abi 1,000, abi 1.5. So I ended up buying it because I want to buy other things to do bloating tea. But yeah, this is my guy I usually buy Zobo products from, and this is us just heading into the market. Myself and Cha, we have a lot of things to buy today, but of course my first stop is to my lady that I buy my provision from, my baby's milk and all, but she was not available at the store, so I had to wait for her because I feel like she already knows the things that I want, and she gives me a fair price, to be honest. But this was more than like 5 minutes. I beg,
tell her say they wait for her. If she no come now, go come out for you.
She eventually came, and I proceeded to also buying biscuits and some other thing. Now, one significant thing that happened in the market today was that my Ribena woman's shop was open. And guess what? Her family friends opened back her business to continue. Oh my God, I was so happy. Please, you guys to patronize her. She's dead, but seeing her business open up back, I mean, it gave me great joy. Like, her legacy still continues. Please patronize her.
Guys, I just bought Ribena for my Ribena lady shop. When I get to the car, I'll talk to you guys because it's a lot noisy. Yeah. I'm so touched. Her family friends, they've picked up the business back for her. Woo! Going to my detergent woman. My love! My love! Happy New Year!
My daughter, how's your guy? How's
Everybody is
what
fine.
we call
My house empty. Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, come on.
Anytime my husband watches my market vlog, it's like everybody inside this market is your love. I'm like, these are my people, Joe.
Mama, why you not open plenty, display plenty things today?
Time will don't go.
Where's Sarah? Oh yeah.
I proceeded to my lady where I buy my spices from and my tin tomatoes. At this point, I was so exhausted already.
Don't quench. You guys, this market is not for the faint-hearted. And as I'm just in the market now, my friend has sent me things to buy for her. So I'm also buying her own things as well.
Well, easy. When you guys see like full production of market vlog and all, please subscribe to my channel and watch and support your girl. But at this point, I think I was done buying here, and my lady was just calculating everything, and I know that my money was a lot today. But anyways, I was done here. And one thing you guys always ask is, what is alaboro? Alaboro are carrier. So this is my alaboro man just loading the items that we bought so that they can start taking it to our car. Now walking into the car park, of course you know who I'm gonna see now. What see you?
What see you? So this year may you change. This year may you change. What see the way you slice it with it don't slim. Not lie. You see say as the child tell me say she don't find that place where they do her well. Say she go there, say she don't leave you. Now she tell me say she don't discover another place where they inside. She tell me say she don't find that place inside. Say me she carry me go. I say no, say I go use Wasi.
You don't do like that.
Wasi na lie.
You don't go slice the meat now. What I won't come buy for here? You don't slice them now.
These two na 30,000.
Eh, no be only 30,000. Wasi you abeg.
95 everything.
You're 95. Wasi you cut meat for me. I go transfer your money. This year they get headache. I don't tell you. For our usual price, cut them. Wasi if you no want leave am, I go buy goat. I go buy goat. Go full goat na 48,000 now. Full goat na 48,000.
That one no be goat now. That one na goat.
Which one no be goat?
That one we dey talk. Better goat.
I dey buy am from Ilorin, better goat. See you, yes.
Ilorin.
I dey buy am. The man dey bring am. As he slaughter am on Thursday, he go bring am come my side. Wetin dey talk?
Okay, go slaughter the.
He go slaughter am, deliver am, put am for inside cooler, deliver am, come bring am to me. Wetin full goat with the head, everything. Which one be fake goat now?
You see better goat.
Na so.
That's true now.
Wasi abeg, this year may you change. Na so. 18,000. No be only 18,000. Wasi, I don't hear you. If you don't want to go, leave am.
When you reach that junction, turn like this. You go see the second entrance there. Sure. Why no go buy the yam?
Wasi, you don't cut the meat. I know they buy you yam. Leave me. Which one way you don't buy for me? Wasi, leave me alone. At 25. Big one.
I will give her like this.
No. Wasi, stop a beg. Ah, which kind of one I be? No. No. Don't chop your meat. Pimples don't fool my face. Pimples don't fool. Pimples. I know they get pimples before, but the last time when he sent give me pimples, Jack fool my face.
Pimples, we fool your face before.
Yeah.
They chop my meat.
Nah, so. Nah, so. Sam, you give me fake meat the last time. Pimples don't Jack inside my face.
You know my name. Mr. Original.
Nah, so. Say name na Mr. Original. Which one no more? Pepsi?
Anti-Pepsi.
Now they collect mineral for Wasi. My love, they collect mineral for Wasi.
They do anonymous.
Oh.
You want marry me?
Oh.
They do anonymous.
Oh.
What's you Shall go beat all the women when they your house?
Of course, you know myself and Wasi, we're gonna drag. But anyways, I'm back home.
When they buy them for me, I don't know what they bought for me. Until I go the market today. Sunday, mama me, I say, wow. Like, they really try for me. You see, they give me Christmas gifts. No, not give me you to soak me from. Yeah, we love.
Not time.
But you come here, come soak your pastor clothes, foundation ministry clothes.
I never wear them.
Everybody
I never even do put the zip set.
never put the zip. I can tell her.
Don't mind me, I was teasing my girls. But let's get into it. A dozen of pig milk was 8,000 naira. Yeah, and I bought a dozen. Sachet Milo was 1,300, and I bought about 5 sachets. Dano milk was 1,200 naira. Pig milk was 1,800 naira. Cocoa Pops. Like say air is the Cocoa Pops and there's just a little of Cocoa Pops inside, but it was 1,002 per sachet. Golden Mall was 4,500 and I bought about 4. Then 123 was 4,000 naira and I bought about 5 of it. A packet of golden penny sugar 1,002. Packet of grounded sugar 2,000. Quaker oat was 2,500. Yogurt was 3,500 each. Pancake mix was 5,000. Nutella was 6,500 naira. Bama was 2,500 naira. My Ribena woman, the original Ribena, was 3,800 and Chivita 4,000. A carton of choco rings, because I'm done with Fab, was 4,500. A carton of Indomie was 10,800. Wipes was 1,200 and I think I bought about 6. This pack of Wind air freshener was 2,500. Half dozen of Premier soap was 3,000 naira. 2 Sure Hand was 1,200. A pack of Eva 2,500. Viva Girl Forever. Viva was 1,800 naira. And today I think I bought about 10 packs. Swiss air freshener was 1,100. GBC air freshener was 1,000 naira. Window cleaner was 1,300. Mama Lemon, of course, was 1,800. Hypo was 2,000 naira for one. Window cleaner, these 3 sets was 7,500. Viva Dustbin Nylon was 1,200. The smaller one was 1,500. Tissue roll was 9,900 naira each, and this is rose. Yeah, and then I think I bought about 6 of it. No, I bought about 8 of it, and then I bought the big bag of the tissue roll for 10,000 naira of tissue. Sorry, and then welcome mat. I've been looking for it since to put in my kitchen. I bought it 3,000. Ima coconut powder was 1,000 each. I also bought golden terra oil that came with free gifts for 3,500 naira, and I bought 6 of it. I bought macaroni for 1,000 each. I bought nut chicken and nut beef for 1,800 naira. I bought spaghetti for 1,000 naira, and I bought this big size lasso chicken for 2,000 naira, and I bought about 2 of it. Chicken season powder was 1,500. Sarah tin tomatoes was 800. Hens was 2,000 naira. Wonder Time, I love it so much, 700. Dorcas curry was 900. Gino, a roll of Gino was 700. A roll of Gino patty jollof was 700 as well. This quantity of panla fish was 5,000 naira. This yellow pepper was 1,000 naira, and this garlic and ginger, all of it was going for 5,000 naira. This pepper, red pepper, was 1,500, and this okra was 3,000 naira. I saw when I was buying it. This shaki was 2,000 naira, and all of this pomo was 5,000 naira. This is how I love my pomo. This Irish potato, a custard paint, was 5,000 naira. Liver was going for 2,000 naira. I love it for my fried rice. And this 1 tuber of this yam was 3,000 naira, and I bought about 3 tubers. Watermelon was going for 2,000 naira, and I bought 2. Half pint of white beans was 2,500. I love it for my moi moi and akara and other things. But for cooking, I love my honey beans. So I bought honey beans, a custard beans for 6,000 naira, and all of this beef was 45,000 naira. All of this beef was 45,000 naira. Thank you guys for watching, and bye. My total spend today was 545,000 naira. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.